Welcome to our tutorial on React's useReducer hook for complex state management. As React applications grow in complexity, managing state becomes increasingly challenging. The useReducer hook offers a powerful tool to handle intricate state transitions, much like Redux, but with the simplicity and elegance of React hooks. In this video, we'll explore the useReducer hook's significance in modern web development, showing how it helps in creating scalable and maintainable React applications. Whether you're dealing with multi-step forms, complex user interactions, or scenarios needing undo, redo functionality, understanding useReducer can be a game changer in your React development journey. To grasp the power of useReducer, let's first dive into the concept of state management in React. State represents the dynamic data of a component, influencing how it renders and behaves. For simple state changes, useState suffices. But when logic becomes complex, useReducer provides a structured approach. It uses a reducer function, which, given the current state and an action, returns a new state. This pattern promotes a clear separation of state logic, making it easier to test and maintain. Actions are plain objects that describe what happened, typically with a type and payload. The dispatch function sends actions to the reducer, triggering state updates. This method is particularly useful for applications where state updates depend on previous state values, ensuring predictable state transitions. Let's look at a practical example of using useReducer for complex state management. In this example, we'll manage a counter with theme toggling and an undo feature. We'll create a reducer function that handles different action types like increment, decrement, changeTheme, and undo. The initial state consists of a count, theme, and history. Through dispatching actions, we can update the state based on the action type. This approach allows for organized and scalable state management. Let's see the useReducer in action. Imagine a React application where we have a counter that starts at 0. You can increment or decrement this counter with buttons, and each click updates the state. The application also supports an undo feature, retracting the last count change. Additionally, you can switch between light and dark themes using a drop-down menu. As you interact with the buttons, the state updates predictably, thanks to the reducer function handling the logic. Each action, like incrementing, decrementing, or changing the theme, dispatches a specific action type, allowing the reducer to compute the next state accurately. In conclusion, useReducer is a powerful hook for managing complex state in React applications. It offers a structured and scalable approach to handle intricate state transitions, making your applications more maintainable and debuggable. By separating state logic from UI logic, useReducer enhances the clarity and predictability of your code. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale application, understanding and leveraging useReducer can significantly improve your state management strategy. We encourage you to experiment with useReducer in your projects and explore its potential in creating dynamic and responsive user interfaces. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.